Online, is my voice is clear, ma? Online, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? I don't think so. Clear? Can you hear me, ma, online? Am I audible online? You can respond through chat also. చాట్ ఆప్షన్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయలేదేమో. ఓకే అంటున్నారు కానీ చాట్ లేదు. యా, ఓకే. సరే చూడండి సార్. ఓకే, దట్స్ గ్రేట్. లెట్ మీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. Good. How are you all? Fine. Now, let's see what we have discussed in the previous classes. Now, today onwards, we are going to have our main classes, like our days will count. till now, like in the demos, whatever the people understand, we will have a quick glance. And all the classes till now, whatever happened, you can get in a videos, by admins. Even online one, you will get the videos, whatever we discussed till now. Let me repeat it, sir. Mm, yeah, this, where did we discussed? Yeah, this is the one. Now, okay. Now, online focus here. Now, sir, till now, what we have discussed, to the people who are there from starting, they will understand. First day, we discussed what is our course, how much time it will take, what are the topics we will cover, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Okay. Because in the meanwhile, if you think it like something another is there, that would be, not good. Now, we will discuss only these four major. Along with this course also have Git and GitHub, Netlify, VS Code, those things were extras. Now, along with this, we will have core structure like Internet Fundamentals, UI UX design, HTML, CSS, and projects, Bootstrap project, JavaScript, advanced JavaScript, and some mini projects, and the main real-time project. And we have already completed internet fundamentals. We discussed what is browser, what is search engine, how internet works, how Google works, domain, URL, all the basics. We also understand UI and UX, how a website should look like, how a website should feel like. Based on that, I told you guys to design Figma one, which most people tried. Did you all created Figma account, ma? At least you all seen it now, Figma, how it will look. In iOS, it will be thoda different. Okay. But in Mac, it will be different. But in Windows, it was similar to whatever the interface we have. Okay. Now, next. Next. Coming to the yesterday's one, we have understand in yesterday's class, first VS Code. I opened Visual Studio Code. Everyone have to follow the same thing. After open Visual Studio Code, go to File, Open Folder. Go to File and Open Folder. File and Open Folder. I will go to the file and I will open one folder. Let's see the folder name. 730 HTML CSS JS is the folder name. I will open it now. Inside this one folder, inside this one folder, I created I created three folders. How many folders? How did you create it, sir? You can see two icons here. First one is for new file, second one is for new folder. And using that, I created three folders. First one, daily I will write code. Whatever code we discussed, we will write in this. Second one, we will write daily notes. And if we do any projects, we will do it into the projects. Any questions? Any questions, ma? No. Are everyone clear? Now, let's go here. Let's start the what we discussed in the first one. In the first day, I explained you what is HTML. Hypertext markup language is used to define the structure of the web page. What is the use of HTML, sir? Define the structure of the web page. Very good. Always remember, HTML is just for a structure. Like, sir, I want heading. It will give you heading. But what color your heading is, it don't know. What size, it will always already fixed. Where do you wanna place? It will only fix. Will it give you option ma? No. Only whatever you want, it will give you. If you want a button, it will give you button. But no colors, no sizes, nowhere to put. CSS will take care of that all. Are you getting my point, sir? Now, sir, HTML, in HTML, everything is a tag. Everything is a tag. And you will have a tag HTML open tag, HTML close tag. Open tags will have left arrow, right arrow in between tag name. Close tags will have left arrow, right arrow with a slash. Slash means close. Now whole program is between HTML open and HTML close. HTML have two children. What are they? Head and body. HTML have two children, head and body. Now inside the HTML, head will be there, body will be there. See, head open, body head close, body open, body close. And inside head you can put so many, but we have to put one mandatory children. What is that name? Title. Did you remember where this title will come? On the top, like you can see on the tab bar. Body. In the body, whatever you write hello world, it will come onto the screen. In body, you write anything, sir. It will come onto the screen. Now, go here, go to the code. There is another file also I put it yesterday, which is index2.html. Index2 dot. In this, what you did, sir? In this,
This
now.
meeting is being
So,
recorded.
yesterday I did not created anything. I just used one shortcut. VS Code provides some shortcuts. Do you remember what are the shortcuts called in VS Code? Emits. What are they called? Emits. Now, let's create one more time, sir. Emit. Now, I will go in and I will create one more folder. I will create headings, paragraphs, anchor tag, image tag. I will explain all. See, I put one folder name, something big one. Then inside that folder, click that folder and click one file. Click that folder and file. Then only file will be inside the folder. Okay. Click that folder and file. Click that folder and file. Now, in this, I will write it here now. Sir, mostly I will put the name index.html only. I will tell you the reason later. Don't worry. But, but mostly it is good to put index.html. You can put any name. There is no problem. Mostly we will put index.html. Now, here also I'm going with index.html. HTML. This is the HTML file. Do you
This
remember,
meeting
ma?
is being recorded.
HTML colon 5 enter. These shortcuts are called embeds. And sir, what is this doc type HTML? What is this HTML lang en? What is this head? What is this meta? What is this meta name? Everything in detail we discussed yesterday in one particular file. I explained you line by line in that file. When you get this code now, you can actually read it line by line in comments. While doing code, sir, I will always write if something is something, kind of confusing one, I will write it comment there so that you can read it. Comments are for only your reading purpose. Till now, any doubt, sir? Till now, anyone have any doubts? Clear? Now, yesterday I gave you a task to create H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and paragraph. And I also tell you, you go to any one website and try to change it. Raise your hand. How many of you honestly tried it? Good. Majority of the people tried. And some people did not try it, maybe because you have it your own difficulties in the time. So try it today. See, 1-2 days delay will happen. We all are humans, fine. But imagine if you delay today also, tomorrow also, you can't do 3-4 days work at a time. That is not a good habit. Today you missed, sir. Okay, tomorrow you will do. But you should not postpone it multiple times. Is this clear, ma? When you really check the real-time websites, na, it will be so much fun. And today we will spoil more websites. Don't worry. Now, let's go here. Let's start here. First, I want H1 main heading. I will write H1 main heading. Automatically it will come. You can say it like H1 directly. You can say it like directly H1 will automatically come. Notes will be uploaded once we had it some kind of drive or something, or else tomorrow I will create one GitHub link and I will give it to you. Okay. Now H1 H1 is used for the main heading. H1 is used for the main heading. Like H2, some subheading, again subheading, H3, like that each and every one. Total how many headings are there, sir? Six. Total how many are there? Six. H1 to what is the highest one? What is the lowest one? What is the difference? Font size. What is the common point? Bold. What is the common point? Bold. All are bold. And also, sir, difference is importance. H1 is having higher importance, obviously. Chapter title is higher important than a side heading, right? It is like how you write notes only, ma. In your notes also or documentation also, we will write one big heading, chapter title, again subtopic, again in that subtopic, in that sub points, one we will go, right? That is how it works. Now, H1. Right, sir. Again, I have to write H1 like heading 1. Sorry. H1, heading 1. Again, H2, heading 2. H3, heading 3. Sir, it is time consuming, na? I will tell you one shortcut. There are so many shortcuts. Listen, all shortcuts which I am telling, all emmets which I am telling are just for quick writing. Like to make your productive more, to make you write quickly. It will work only VS Code. It's not like in interview they will ask you, do you know any shortcut? No. Are you getting my point, sir? I will tell you one shortcut. H1 plus, H2 plus, H3. If you give plasma, elements will come one after the another. If you write H1 plus H2 plus H3, after H1, H2 will come, after H2, H3 will come. Can you see this? Are you getting my point, sir? One more time, sir. H1 plus H2 plus H3 plus H4 plus H5 plus H6 plus paragraph. Total how many you want? H1 to H6 and paragraph 7 you want. If you write this, you know what will happen? See, you can see it. It is embed shortcut. Did you all get it, ma? Any questions in this, sir? No. It is just for writing quickly. It's not mandatory you have to do it in this way only. If you write it directly H1, H2 separately also nothing will happen. Okay. It is just time consuming. Now I will write it here. Heading 1. You write it anything. It doesn't mean like H1 has to be heading 1 only. No. You put it anything. Okay. Heading 2. Heading 3. Sir, if I will not write P, what will happen? P will not come. Simple. Is there any rule like P have to be written? No, na. If you don't write anything, it will not come only. Simple. I'm not giving P. कुछ नहीं होता. How to run this application, ma? Go live. Now, will this go live will come directly, sir? No. You need to install one extension. What is the extension name? Very good. I got these headings. See the code and see the heading output. Now, online, some people were asking really brilliant questions. I will tell you. Now, first question, someone asked me, can I put it H7 also? What will happen? You can put anything, ma. HTML is a markup language. HTML is a because HTML will not give you any errors. Programming languages are there. Programming languages will give you errors. Have you used any programming language, ma? C, C++, Java. When you write any error, you will get errors, na? But इधर कोई error नहीं आता. If it knows, it will give you answer. If it don't know, it will not give you answer. Like for example, let's take it Bahubali tag. I will put it some tag. Left Bahubali, right. Do you think will there be any tag named Bahubali? No, na. I can put any tag, na. Now you see, I am writing something. But does my HTML knows what is Bahubali tag? No. So it will automatically give it like without the tag, how it will come. If you write this thing without the any tag, however it will come, same thing. Can you see the any difference, my here? Can you see these things? G something. There is no difference here. You know why? See, when you give Bahubali or kuch bhi, it don't know what is the tag will do. So it will directly give it like, okay, remove the tag and make it like only text print. Simple. If it knows tag, for example, you give H3, it knows H3. So it will give you heading 3. If you give P, it knows P, it will give you paragraph. If you give something like H2, it will give H2. But if you give H7, H8, will it give any errors, ma? No. There is no errors. But it will show you however it is. HTML is like a painting. HTML is like a. But interesting point is this. In painting or drawing, you don't have any errors. Some ones will do nice painting, someone will do worst painting. But there is no error painting. Are you getting my point, ma? You can put whatever you want. There is no errors there. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts, ma? First question. No. Now, someone is asking, I have already two editor, Edit Plus and Eclipse. See, you have Edit Plus, but we are not using Edit Plus. Eclipse is a IDE. We are not using IDE also. I recommend everyone, even though you have other code editor, use VS Code. Why? Because like this, I will tell you some shortcuts to use in VS Code. And when you listen my class in VS Code and try it in another code editor, it will be difficult for you to manage. If you are a person who can manage, you try it. I don't have problem. But course will be in VS Code. Is this clear? Now, let's go here. Someone, what if I want more headings? Only 6 headings are available. Bada to chota. You don't have any more heading. But I want something too big heading, like too much big heading. Then you will use CSS. In CSS, you can increase or decrease anyone's font size. You can make any element as bold. So automatically you can make anything as even paragraph as heading using CSS. Okay. Now, someone asked me, can I do it in reverse? You put it any order, ma. Now, I'm using shortcut. Everyone focus here. H6, H6, H2, H3, or sorry, H3, H1, H4, H5. Can you see I jumbled the order? Any problem in this? Do you think any problem will come? No, your wish. That is not a good format actually. No one will write the chapter title in the middle. Okay. But what do we do? Like some movies will have a title in the middle. Who knows? Like we can put it whatever we want but because it's our website. Now see shortcuts. If any one of your system is not working the shortcuts of embeds, if any one of your system not working the shortcuts of embeds, I will tell you one setting also later to adjust that. Is this clear, ma? Now, sir, order is not important. Now they go heading one. I'm giving it. So H6 is always small. Heading 2, H3, H2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Any question in this? Online, anyone have any questions, ma? Online, anyone have any questions, ma? No, sir. Very simple, ma. Now, I can use paragraph also. The difference between heading and paragraph, paragraphs are used for descriptions. If I wanted to say some matter about something, I will use paragraph. In paragraphs, in paragraphs, I will use, like this is my first paragraph. I'm writing something, but I can't write it every time because I'm lazy. So if I don't wanted to write, I have one shortcut. To get the paragraph, you have one shortcut. The shortcut name is lorem. What is the shortcut name? Can you see that is also emmet only? Lorem. Lorem is the default paragraph. You will get one shorter paragraph. Lorem. Sir, I want it like simple paragraph. If you give lorem 10, only 10 words will come. If I give lorem 100 words will come. Max some kind of 10,000 or something maximum one is there. Okay, you don't need to do that much words actually. One more time shortcut. Lorem 100 words paragraph will come. Online any doubts, ma? Online any doubts, ma? No, sir. Next one, sir. Next one. Sir, these headings are easy. These anchor tags are easy. But hypertext markup language. In that, what is it mean by hypertext? Hypertext means any text. Hypertext means any text which can lead from one point to another point. Have you ever go to Wikipedia? In Wikipedia, you will see always some links. If you click on that, it will go from one point to another point. That is called hypertext, hyperlinks, or hypertext. Okay. Now, I wanted to write that. To create hyperlinks, you will use something called anchor tag. What you will use, ma? Anchor tag uses A. Anchor tag uses, we will have detailed notes, don't worry. A. Just understand it now. We will have notes also. Can you see here? I wrote A tag, ma. Anything came here, right side? Anything came ma before heading 1? No. Because you did not write anything inside. Let me write it here inside. Mm, go to Google. Can you see this? Go to Google, sir. Go to Google link came, everyone. Go to Google link came. Now, anchor tag will have a attribute called href. Anchor tag will have a attribute called href. Href means hyper reference. What does it mean by href, ma? Hyper reference. Now, if you remember yesterday, HTML have an attribute called lang. Lang is having a value en. That is what we discussed. Attribute bole to properties. Similarly, anchor tag have one property called hyperreference. Hyperreference bole to where you want it to go. I will write it like this. HTTPS www.facebook.com. Sir, what does it mean? It means if someone click this link, na, they will go to, if someone click this link, where they will go, sir? Facebook.com. Can we try? Yes, I'm going to Facebook. Any doubts? Let me put it here. Google. Go to Google. Google.co.in. Go here. Click on the link. Can you see? Everyone, see this, sir. Let me bigger this. Any doubts you can tell me, ma. Any questions? Online, any questions, ma? Online, is it clear? I hope offline also clear. Now, okay. Sir, how I get HREF? This link you can copy. Like, for example, I will go to W3 schools. W3 schools. I can copy this now, link, and I will paste it here in HREF. Any doubts? No. Now, someone is saying it like, sir, can I make this heading go like that? Can I make this heading go like that? Yes. Why don't? Go here, heading 4. I wanted this heading 4. Can you see heading 4? Now, I can make heading 4 also. Inside H1, I am keeping anchor tag. One more time. Inside H1, I am keeping anchor tag A. Inside that A, I am writing heading 4. कुछ नहीं होता. Can you say heading 4 came? But sir, is this anchor tag is having any href ma? Can we give any href? Now go. Which website you wanted to go? I wanted to go to Amazon. Sorry, this is not Amazon. Amazon. Copy this. Go here. Click here. Now, sir, interesting point is everyone. Now you have H1 na? Inside H1 anchor tag is there. Can you see that? That means, sir, inside one tag you put another tag. Any question, sir? Inside one you put the another. This is called a nested elements. What is it called? Nested bole to one inside the another. Now if I click this heading 4, anyone tell me where I will go? If I click this heading 4, where I will go, ma? Any questions? Go to Google. Google is going. But sir, if you go to one websites na, some websites, when you click the link na, they will not open directly. They will open in a new tab. Have you ever observed any website, ma? When you click on it, they will open in a new tab. Have you seen it? Now, sir, I wanted something a website. If I click on it, I want that link to open in new tab, not in the same tab. Dekho. I click here, go to Google. And if I click it, this W3 school should open in a new tab, not here. I wanted to open in a new tab. If you wanted to open in a new tab, sir, you have to give another property. See, all attributes will be given in open tag only. All attributes will be given in a open tag. Now go here, write it here, target, everyone, target attribute. If I give target blank, underscore blank, if you give target equals to underscore blank, what will happen, sir? That means I am telling open in a blank tab, new tab. Now go here, go to Google. If I click it here, W3 schools will open now. But see it where it is opening, everyone. See clearly. Can you see that? Now see. Can you see this? What happened? W3 schools open in a new tab. Original one is stayed there only. Can we make a note of all things, sir, till now? And after that, we'll discuss more depth. Let's go here. Headings, paragraphs, anchor tag, img, dot txt. Everyone can see my notes. Like anyone doubts, you can tell me. In HTML, every element will have corresponding open and close tags. Close tags. Close tags. Each and every element will have its own purpose. HTML provides 6 headings ranging from H1 to H6. Online Sagar is asking how to get it words bold. You can use it like headings, or if you want paragraph bold, I will tell you. Don't worry. In future, you will do that. H1 to H6. H1 is of higher importance and higher importance, and H6 is having lower importance. Lower importance. Importance. It is recommended. It is recommended to keep one H1 per page for better SEO. Yesterday I told you this point. You remembered, ma? Google will recommend you per one page keep one H1. That is just a recommendation for a good SEO. Next. How do you write it, sir? Example H1, some heading or something text. You can put whatever you want, because again people will think you should write a heading only. No, you can write anything. H1, H2, and so on. All headings are bold. All headings are bold and deferred by. All headings are bold. All headings are bold and deferred by size. When you are writing notes, I want you to read it and understand it. In case if you did not understand anything which you are writing, let me know. I will repeat it. Okay? Now, someone asking in VS Code, the output will be shown in sidebar. Please tell me. Dekho, VS Code output will not show you sidebar. I am keeping side by side. If you click on VS Code, always output will be shown in the browser only. If you click on this, output will be shown in the browser only. Okay. I am showing you side by side. I am keeping it. No need to do that. You can see outside browser only every time. Now, next. Next one. Next one. Doubt ma? Someone? No. Paragraph. Paragraph. Paragraphs. Paragraphs are used for descriptions, descriptions. Usually they are not bold. They are not bold. They are not bold. It uses p tag. P tag. Example p something whatever paragraph text p. Online any doubt, sir? No. Next. Next. Emmets. Emmets. Emmets are the Emmets are the shortcuts shortcuts provided by VS Code. Example: Lorem Emmet will give will give dummy paragraph and plus Emmet is used for multiple elements to print one after another. Online any doubts? No. Now, next, links, hyperlinks. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks helps. Hyperlinks helps to navigate from one page to another page, another web page, another web page, another web page. They use they use they use a tag, like example a, some text a. But anchor tags anchor tags uses anchor tags uses but anchor tags uses links as href attribute. href attribute. href means, sir, hyper reference. Now, example, you have to give it like this, then only link will come. Anchor tag inside this. Always attributes will be given before closing the brace. Always attribute will be given before closing the open tag only. Now here I will give attribute href equals to some link you will give, whatever link you want. Here you will put text. So indirectly, if you click on this text, it will go to that link. If you click on this text, it will go to that link. That is so simple. Next one, sir. To open link, to open link in new tab, we can use to open link in new tab, we can use target attribute with value underscore blank If you write it here, example, if you write it here, anchor tag, href, some link, target underscore blank. It's common, every time you should be blank बोले तो blank tab. text. This all things we discuss, sir. In future, we will discuss in depth about anchor tag, but this is just a basic crux. Anchor tag can do so many things, which we will discuss soon later. Don't worry. Any questions on the topic which discussed till now, ma, in the notes? Any doubts? And you need to know one more thing, which is image. Image. Images are used for visual appearance of website, and we can include images using img tag. Which one we will use, ma? img. Img means image. Img tag will contain two attributes. First one, src. Src will contain source of image. What it will contain, ma? Image. Alt. Alt will contain alternate text. Alternate text which appears when image is not loaded. When image is not loaded. See, my image, if image is not coming, I wanted to print one text there in that place, I will use alt. I will show you how it will work, don't worry. Just note down these things. Just note down these things. Mostly tomorrow I will give you something called GitHub, my link. In that link, every day you can see the notes, don't worry. Okay. Is it clear, my everyone noted? Now, let's go here. Let's write it here, img. Let's go here. Let's put here. I'm keeping here img. Can you see here img? How many attributes are there? Two basic attributes. First one is src. What is the first one? src will contain source of the image. Src will contain. Now, now you go here. I wanted to put one image. Let's put one. Let's type it in Google. Let's go here. Google Shinchan. Let's take one image. How to take it Google image, sir? You click on one image. You will get something like this. Right click. Can you see open image in new tab? Take one more time. First search one image. Click on that image. You will get this image. Right click. Can you see open image in new tab option, ma? Open it. You will get a new option. See, this is the link. So I will copy this link. I will go here. I will paste the link in src. Now if you go here, why it is not coming? Okay, this image itself is not loading. Let me put any another image. Right click, open image in new tab. Why I'm getting only static images, Ray? Not good. Go here. At least this one will come. Right click, open image in new tab. See, if image ending is coming something .jpg, .png, something na, that will come correctly. I will copy this. I will remove this. I will paste this. Now I go here. Where is my website? Can you see in my website something image is coming? Can you see this, sir? Image is coming, sir. Now, sir, imagine I just changed the website like this. I just cut it. Will this image will come now? See, I changed the link. Link is broken. Will the image will come now? It will not come now. In that case, I wanted, if it is not coming, देखो here कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. But image is there. I want people to know image is there. So I will write it here. Something alternate text. Shinchan image. So if image link is not working, if image link is not working, it will print like this Shinchan image. You may see this kind of thing in so many websites. If your internet speed is low or if your website is not loaded correctly, it will show something like this only. Okay, that means here one image is there, but that image is not loaded correctly, and that is a Shinchan image I am giving. This alt will work only when source is not working. Sir, what if source is working correctly, sir? If source is working correctly, ma, this alt will not show only. Shinchan image. Can you see? I wrote Shinchan image anywhere. Can you see that? No, because link is working. If link is not working only, it will show alt. That's why it is called alt, alternate text. Alt means alternate text. The image thoda bada ho gaya. Can you decrease it? Yes. You can use another attribute called height. What is the attribute name? Let's put a height 200. Online, any questions, ma? Online, any questions? Sir, how to put local images? How to put multiple images? How to make image clickable? We will discuss everything in tomorrow. Don't worry. Today, just an introduction of anchor tag and images, and we will discuss in depth. Sir, based on our understanding, can we spoil any real website, ma? Good, good. Every day we will do this, sir. Go to one website called Google. Now, this Google is coming now everywhere. See this. Right click, inspect. I wanted to see how this Google is coming. Arrow, go to Google. Can you see which tag they used? What tag they used, ma? And can you see here they put it something alt? Yes. Can you see they put something height? Height is 92 they gave. I will increase the height, Ray. 292. No, it is not increasing. Maybe this is the maximum height. Waste. Next. See this one. Sir, where this image link will be there? Inside the SRC, right or not? I will change it. Now I will go here. I will just search here. Mughal. What? I thought something Mughal text will come. I don't know what is this. Okay, something like Prasad. Google is also trolling Ray people. What is this? Right click. This one is good. Right click. Open image in new tab. Copy this. Go to my Google website. Remove this PNG wala because I don't want. And I will put here Prasad wala. Oh, they gave two things. Not only SRC, they have SRC set also, which we will discuss later actually. So I have to remove it from SRC and SRC set both. Okay, I will remove it. Can you see this? Any doubts here? Huh? SRC set is like, imagine you have SRC means only one link. What if I have it like two, three kind of links? Okay. Uh, you will see in future, like in mobile phone, I want one image. In bigger device, I want one image. Like different times, different images I want. In that case, you will use SRC set. Okay. Don't worry, we will discuss that. We will have something called figure tag at picture tag. At that time, we will discuss. Okay. Now, anyway, go here. What more I can do? Go down. I can go here, Google search. This is something Google search, no input. Where are the anchor tags? Yeah. Can you see here Gmail images are there? Gmail click karo. See? Can you see it is an anchor tag ma? If you click on this Gmail, it is going to mail na? Okay, right? But I will change it na. I will be like, if anyone click on this mail na, it will go to facebook.com. I will change it, not Gmail, Facebook. Can you see? Welcome to Prasad Search. Click here, go to Facebook. Any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts? Now, today's task, go to your favorite site, inspect. Go to your favorite site, inspect. Change the images, change the anchor text, and see it how it is working. Now, see, for example, today in Google, when I checked it, I find it SRC and SRC set. Then people will get in a question, what is SRC set? वो क्या है? Right? So you will really understand when you check it the real websites. If I teach you just IMG means this only, that is not a reality. I want you to check the real website, see how it is working, and then you try it. Is this clear, ma? Go to any website and try to do it. Any question here? Any question here? No. In today's class, we discussed two major things. One is anchor tag. In anchor tag, you will give href with a link, and another one is IMG. Another one is IMG will have SRC and alt. SRC and alt. Inside the SRC, you will put the link. If that link is not working, alt will come. If you want to adjust the width and height of the image, you can adjust height and width. Actually, width also you can do that. Now, some people don't know how to take images from Google. Again, I'm showing it to you. If you wanted to take for any things, if you go here, Doraemon, if you type it here, never take this link. This is Google search link. That is wrong. Click here, click here, click here, right click, open image in new tab. ये इमेज है देखो लास्ट में पीएनजी है यू कैन चेंज लोगोस ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक लोगोस यू कैन चेंज लोगोस आई गो टू आई गो टू वेबसाइट लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स आई गो टू वेबसाइट लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स right click inspect and I will take Netflix logo here go here Netflix oh they are not using image tag they are using something svg so you can't get it. Then I will use Amazon. If someone uses SVG, you can't get it as IMG. I will tell you SVG, IMG ka difference. Now, where is this image? No, they are having link, but they are not having image here also. Okay. W3 schools. Let's check it. W3. Anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, did they put image tag? No, this is icon. This is not IMG, icon. Now, wherever if some people put it image as here, then you can change it. Okay. IMG tag. See, there are so many tags. Don't get confused. Only things today we discuss two only. Anchor and IMG. Use that both only. But while journey, you will see so many. Is this clear, ma? And if anyone not noted down, please note it down, sir. Tomorrow I will give you the complete this code also. Okay. But for practicing, you need this, na? If you not note it down, please note it down, sir. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all. Online, if you wanna copy, you can copy it. I will give you in chat only the code. Online, I send it in chat, but for notes, I will give it in tomorrow completely. Okay, for everyone. I didn't understand. Right. If you entered as jumble, it will come jumble only. नहीं, नहीं, नहीं. Hmm. Admin అడగండి ఒకసారి.
कोड में एक्सटेंशन लाइट्स और ओके ओपनिंग प्रोग्राम से आ सकता है ना सर